Hey guys, today I've got a outdoor remote control timer for your decorations or landscape lighting. This comes from a company, I'm not sure if I can pronounce that 100% correct, but it's Dewenwils or Dewenwils. I'm not sure what the brand is, but I've seen a lot of good reviews on these, and they're not crazy expensive. So we'll open this up here. There'll be a link in the description where you can get this at. Again, this is a remote control outdoor timer, so if you've got lights around your porch like I have, or if you've got some decorations that you want to be remote control or on a timer, then this is what you need to do that. So if we open it up here, you can see on the front that you've got a light sensor for dusk to dawn, and then you've got different times, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. Here you've got two outlets on the end, so you can control two different light setups. And then right here you've got your remote. Of course, you'll take the remote off of the cord, but then you can either turn them on and turn them off. You can set them to dusk to dawn, so as the sun comes up, they'll go off. As the sun goes down, they'll come on. To use this, you just simply pull this tab out of the side and it activates the battery. And then that's pretty much it. There's a small instruction packet that comes in the box, which tells you everything you need to know about it. I'm going to get this set up on my lights outside, and then I will show you guys how this works. But this is just an unboxing video. Again, this is an outdoor remote control timer from Dewenwils, and there'll be a link in the description. You'll also get a promo code where you can save 10% off this right here. The holidays are coming up, and you want to have some stuff that you know is safe to use. And I want to mention this for all you electricians that are watching these videos. This is UL listed, so that's very important. They've went through the time and effort to make sure that this is UL listed, as everything we use in the electric world is, and it's listed for 15 amp half horsepower, so you could even put this on a half horse motor and control it that way. So again, there'll be a link in the description, a promo code in the description. Go check them out. These are not super expensive, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.